Alright, we're going to be doing a 2020 Jeep Compass proximity. We're making 2 keys. This car is 18 and up Mopar product, so it's going to be the 12+8 connector or the star. I use the 12.8. I would show it to you, but this one was a little bit hard to get to. It's not really that hard, but I'm on a car hauler, so I don't have a lot of room to maneuver. It's basically, if you get up under the dash and look straight up, it's going to be to the left of the brake pedal. It's not a hard one to get to, but like I said, in the position I'm in, wasn't fun. I don't know if this is gonna. Oh, look at it, red. And yep, we're right. I generated 2 Autel Prox keys, like I normally do with Mopar and Nissan. Mopar especially, they can just be. You can have the 100% the right key, and it doesn't take sometimes. So I just usually will just generate Autel because I like it and I know it's gonna work. Should be pretty easy. We're gonna pull the password. There it is. Control unit, keyless system. Key learning, add key. Yeah, the shift bar. That's interesting. Huh. Okay. I think we're probably just going to be pushing the lock unlock. Yes. Okay. We have the flashers on to wake the key up. Or yeah, wake the car up. Come on. You kind of got to move it all around the car. So you find an antenna that wants to work. Come on. I don't think that took. I think we might be on the wrong vehicle. Near the shift bar sounds like a Wrangler. Huh, it took. Cool. So there's one. Yes, we are going to learn the next key. Remove the current key, prepare another key. It's a different process than I'm used to. Usually we'll cycle the locks when you're done, but I guess it took. Once per 15 seconds and 60 seconds. That's interesting. I've not seen that one before. Well, that took pretty quick. Huh. Good to go. No, I do not want to learn another key. Let's make sure it starts. Starts right up. Locks work. All right, we're good to go. This is the it's a Jeep Compass. This one and I believe the Renegade have the SIP22 blade rather than the CY24. Makes it a little bit easier to make sure you have the right key if you're using an actual Mopar key, because they only make the one key with the SIP22. But basically that's it. 2 Prox keys with the IM608 generated with the Autel. Good luck out there.